So, which Rioja winery is this building associated with? One of the most stunning, most beautiful buildings. What is the winery behind this stunning hotel?
Okay, here everyone agreeing with the exception of one person, but Marques de Riscal is their answer for this question.
In fact, it is the Marques de Riscal. It is a very famous building that's surrounded by the vineyards, but actually I'm not going to reveal the author of this building yet because that's going to come up as one of our upcoming questions. So, a statement. Wines made usually with selected grapes in certain years with 60 months total minimum aging, 2-year barrel aging, and minimum 2 years in bottle best describes Rioja Crianza, Rioja Reserva, or Rioja Gran Reserva.
Okay, here pretty much, well, everyone in agreement with their answer. It's Gran Reserva is what they locked in as their answer.
Fantastic. It is Gran Reserva for red wines with 5 years of total minimum aging, but many producers age their wines for even longer than that. Okay, true or false? Rioja does not make sparkling wine.
Okay, the majority of respondents here putting in false as their answer.
It is false, as Rioja is producing gorgeous sparkling wines with traditional method. And now the next question follows. How long should be Gran Añada sparkling wine aged for? 18, 24, 36, or 48 months?
Okay, so a couple of different answers here, 24 and 36. However, many more people have answered 36 than 24.
Very good.